Hey y'all, my name is Nathan Standridge and I am Rooted Appalachian Woodworks. If you are finding me on Etsy at Raw Mountain Creations, Raw stands for Rooted Appalachian Woodworks, and this video is for you. Today I'm going to take you back up the shop. We're going to walk up the mountain and see the new pieces that I have available in my shop. So without further ado, let's go. So here we are. This is Rooted Appalachian Woodworks. Staff of one, yours truly, Nathan Standridge. Up here we'll see a couple of tables that I completed recently. This one is a beautiful piece of spalted maple that I poured black resin in between. There's originally one slab that I cut in half, tore out all of the rotten pieces of wood, and filled every void with the same food-safe black epoxy. The black epoxy is actually black mica powder, so I don't know if we can really see it, but in the right lighting, it'll shimmer. I'm really proud of this piece. I feel like it almost, at certain points, with the black mixed with the smooth walnut, there almost looks as if the wood is casted, as if it is floating in the air. And there's obviously some beautiful natural colors that came out in this piece of wood. This table is 8 feet long and 36 inches wide. It is a piece of spalted maple with food-safe epoxy poured in the center. Below, we have industrial steel leggings and a piece of 2-inch thick dark walnut for extra support. While this piece is beautiful and finished and available for purchase, it can also be ordered with your specs in mind. You tell me the type of wood, you tell me the dimensions, you tell me the types of legs that you would like, and I can totally make it for you. It's gorgeous.